In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags in ClickUp and customize them to suit your needs. Managing tags effectively can significantly improve your workflow and keep your projects organized seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to ClickUp's website at clickup.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. This is your starting point to accessing all your projects and tasks that may need a bit of adjusting when it comes to tags. If you're new to ClickUp, logging in will take you to a dashboard filled with your workspaces, which is where you'll likely be spending a lot of your time. Next, head over to the Spaces section. This part is crucial because it houses all of your different workspaces. These workspaces are essentially project hubs that let you keep your tasks and associated files in check. Select the workspace you wish to modify. It's essential to choose the right workspace, as tags can differ from one space to another, and you wouldn't want to edit tags in the wrong one. Now that you've selected your workspace, the next step is to click on the list. The list view is particularly useful, as it provides an overview of tasks and subtasks, making it easy to see where tags might be beneficial. Scanning through your tasks in this format helps you determine which tags could use some editing or which tasks may need new tags altogether. Once you're in the list view, look for the Edit Tags option. Clicking on this will open up a range of versatile tag options for your tasks. This will allow you to see all the tags currently associated with the tasks in your chosen workspace. It's beneficial to periodically review your tags to ensure they're still relevant and serving the purpose intended. With the tag editing menu open, you'll have the option to click on the specific tag you wish to modify. Additionally, at this point, you can also add new tags if you feel there's a need for them. Adding new tags can be a way to reorganize or update the way you categorize certain tasks, making retrieval and understanding much more straightforward. If you come across a tag that's outdated or no longer required, simply click on the X icon next to the tag you wish to remove. This action immediately deletes the tag, helping maintain a clean and efficient workspace. Keeping your tags updated prevents clutter and ensures that your tagging system reflects the actual state of your projects. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully learned how to manage and customize your tags in ClickUp. Remember, keeping an organized tagging system is key to enhancing productivity and making the most out of your project management endeavors. Thanks for watching, and happy tag editing.